Exploring the vast expanse of space has been a perennial source of fascination, and cinema has often been the portal to venture beyond the stars. While Interstellar captivated audiences with its cosmic odyssey, there are other stellar films that have carved their own celestial paths. From thrilling adventures to gripping dramas, here's a curated selection of the top 10 space movies that transport viewers into the mysteries and wonders of the cosmos, each with its unique tale of exploration, survival, and the human spirit amidst the infinite unknown. But before moving forward, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button for more upcoming videos. So let's start our video with the first movie in our list, Ad Astra. In the lesser discussed realm of science fiction, Ad Astra often slips under the radar despite its commitment to scientific accuracy. Following in his father's cosmic footsteps, Roy McBride, played by Brad Pitt, undertakes the monumental task of completing the interstellar quest his father vanished pursuing 3 decades earlier. McBride stands as a commendable protagonist, resonating with the determination and fortitude reminiscent of Interstellar's Cooper, portrayed by Matthew McConaughey, both driven by missions aiming to preserve Earth. And the second best space adventure movie in our list is The Right Stuff. With an ensemble cast radiating unparalleled charisma, The Right Stuff captivates as a crisply scripted tale rooted in genuine moments from American history. Chronicling milestones from the initial sound barrier breakthrough to the selection of the Mercury 7 astronauts, the film showcases a spirited and unorthodox band of test pilots. Their spirited approach proves that a touch of audacity can yield monumental results. In contrast to its counterparts, The Right Stuff adopts a more buoyant tone, making it an excellent choice for a delightful cinematic experience. And the third movie in our list is Armageddon. In Michael Bay's Armageddon, a motley crew of adventurers embarks on a mission that adds a generous dose of cheesiness to a classic sci-fi storyline, delivering it in a heartwarmingly predictable manner. When NASA discovers an enormous asteroid hurtling toward Earth, their solution involves assembling a team of deep-core drillers tasked with traveling to space to obliterate the asteroid from within. Those familiar with Bay's other works will find comfort in this film, as it leans heavily into action-packed sequences and witty one-liners, although the predictable romance threads through it with a touch of corniness. And with this, the fourth movie is Apollo 13. Ron Howard's Apollo 13 boasts an exceptional ensemble cast and unfolds the gripping true account of a harrowing mission undertaken by 3 courageous astronauts. Following a promising launch and departure from Earth's atmosphere, Apollo 13 faces critical internal damage, demanding urgent repairs to avert an oxygen crisis for the crew. Laden with the perfect elements for a compelling cinematic experience, featuring a true story, the directorial prowess of Ron Howard, a stellar cast, and more, Apollo 13 solidifies its status as a sci-fi classic, destined to be revisited and revered for generations to come. And here comes our 5th best space movie, 2001, A Space Odyssey. Stanley Kubrick's 2001, A Space Odyssey stands tall as a true trailblazer in the realm of sci-fi cinema, a visionary piece that transcended its era. Unfolding after the unearthing of a foreboding monolith on the lunar surface, the film follows 2 astronauts and an AI companion dispatched to Jupiter to unravel its mysterious origins. Despite being the eldest entry among these cinematic greats, its enduring legacy persists as one of the most visually breathtaking and influential experiences in the history of sci-fi films. And the 6th best space movie in our list is Sunshine. In the realm of world-saving sci-fi narratives, Danny Boyle's Sunshine emerges as a hidden gem, an adrenaline-fueled thriller that remained largely unnoticed by many. Against the backdrop of a dying sun hastening the year 2057, an eclectic team of astronauts embarks on a critical mission to space armed with a nuclear fission bomb aimed at rekindling the fading star. While the storyline may at times feel erratic and perplexing, The film compensates with stunning visuals amplified by the compelling performance of Cillian Murphy, marking it as an essential watch for aficionados of the sci-fi genre. And the seventh space-related adventure movie in our list is The Martian. Ridley Scott's The Martian embodies an engaging and inventive narrative, skillfully bundling a multitude of coveted sci-fi elements into a single cinematic experience. Stranded on Mars due to an inadvertent separation from his crew during a fierce storm, Mark Watney, portrayed by Matt Damon, faces the daunting challenge of devising methods to establish contact with NASA, cultivate sustenance, and endure until a rescue becomes possible. Echoes of tone and cinematography reminiscent of Interstellar occasionally surface, further highlighted by the shared presence of actors like Matt Damon and Jessica Chastain, adding an intriguing connection between these two compelling films. And the eighth movie is Deep Impact. Released in the same year as Armageddon, Deep Impact emerges as an uncannily similar narrative, albeit with a slightly grimmer tone, traversing familiar terrain. Following a presidential declaration about the imminent collision of two sizable comets hurtling towards Earth, a squad of astronauts undertakes a mission to intercept them, paralleled by global preparations for the impending catastrophe. Distinguishing itself by emphasizing the terrestrial repercussions rather than solely space-centered events, the film delves into the emotional resonance and relatability of how Earth copes with the looming threat, creating a poignant and heartfelt narrative. And the ninth best space movie is Moon. Moon stands as a riveting and captivating addition to the sci-fi repertoire, offering a distinctive narrative worthy of exploration. As Sam Bell, stationed as the solitary resource collector and overseer at a moon base nears the conclusion of his 3-year tenure, peculiar occurrences emerge, prompting him and his AI companion Gertie to grapple with unsettling phenomena that cast doubt on his sanity. While diverging from Interstellar in various aspects, this film unravels enigmatic layers that hold an allure and thrill comparable, if not surpassing, the excitement found in Nolan's epic, offering a different yet equally enthralling journey. And the last best space movie in our list is Solaris. Adapted from Stanislaw Lem's revered sci-fi novel, Solaris ventures into intriguing territories beyond the confines of conventional, hard sci-fi. When peculiar behavior arises among a team of astronauts stationed on a distant planet's orbiting space station, Headquarters dispatches psychologist Kelvin, portrayed by George Clooney, to decipher the unfolding enigma. Despite garnering mixed receptions upon its debut, Soderbergh's adept storytelling and direction lend a luminous quality to the film, guiding it through its narrative with finesse and depth. So these are the sum of the 10 best space movies of all time other than Interstellar. Which movie among them would you like to watch? Tell us in the comments section.